Aku apa tip siapang cumi. Gak kemen pat. Bapak nom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Pynkheiñ University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kesangma hakakalai trek naitung arja pun riau. Ulapan skam bak Sorkar kan shimik sinjam kabat Tyngeh persya ikabatan keti haka Jingjia Lapalang kabala shimik jingem jing sanut kimin sembriau. Ula ongru bak Sorkar kadang bisyar ye kilat jingerap pan ajing kersan ye kilong yen jing bladuk no ikibagi kibaton haka ni Jingjia. Kabala ja haka jan mit shpau trek naitung arja pun riau. Haka jingikran bikilap patai kubor Konrad sangma ulong bagi kendon bagi an kila dan lupa bat kanu ke jing Pynkheiñ ye ki kendon an omla satia wan jus ngap no kum tu ulong ru bagi baklat no hakan ni Jingjia kidai ni kilong ying ki beduna ka yok ka kot kum tak Sorkar kadang wat ikila jingerap bisa pan a jing kersian ki kuman chupen kan mau hakan ni Jingjia ka song Lapalang Shillong sangut ki breu kila du no ela ka jong jingem hadin mi kilaring mensim ye ke RB ke bami na ka generator bela pendan kam bantan om na kapung ka bakiti aphalau laingut kinong bala ki bala khla no ki ki khasi na ka snong thangsning bat umyo kat ba arnut shipara ki de gini pali ki balik ban ajingrap ye kinong bala ki bala yap thlap hapo kapung.
Action will be taken against those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the law, breaking the rule. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I'm examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Nongkamai unit had written to me, and so did other units from the Krong. I think one was from Krim, and one more was there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take a decision.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.